Sometimes paying money and investing in your own learning by buying a course and getting into a coaching system is much better than trying things on your own. And the analogy is that of a toll road. Imagine you want to go from point A to point B. By investing in a toll road, by making that payment at the toll gate and getting on that highway is going to help you reach the destination much faster than going in all those winding roads on the side. And the same way, when you're investing in a learning program, a course or a coaching program or any kind of system which is proven, the key here is not in just buying that system, but getting on the toll road and looking at it like a toll road and getting on the fast track, following the system that has been given to you inside that. Don't go and buy any other course until you've finished the ones that you have actually invested in already. Take things to the finish line and then move on to the next. And it's worth paying the price because that will help you make more money than you can imagine.